Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty dog, had a texting through the email. Talking about on top, I won't fall, that's the detail.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida, as you guys can all see. And in this video I'll be showing you guys my car collection, kind of like a garage tour on all the cars I have. Yeah, this car collection here won't be permanent or official. You know, I'll obviously be adding more cars to the collection over time, and maybe selling some cars also. But yeah, this is my current car collection I'll be showing you guys today. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is my first car here, first car in the collection. And yeah, this is the 2010, and then I forgot the name. I don't really know how to say it. I know it, but I know what the name is, but I don't know how to say it. But yeah, it's 2010 something, and then ST1. But this thing is really quick, like really quick. This thing weighs around 3,000 something pounds and has 1,000 torque and also 1,000 something horsepower. Really fast car. I really love using this thing in races. But yeah, a really fast car, and I really love this color on it. We have this darkish green color with these white wheels. This thing is lowered, really low actually. Let's try to go under here. But this thing is really low, as you guys can all tell. Really low. This thing is obviously lowered. But yeah, really low car. This is actually one of my lowest cars, or is my lowest car. But yeah, really low car. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this car. Let's move on to the next car. Alright guys, and this is my second car in the collection, my F-150 Super Duty. This thing is actually really good for off-roading. I have tested this thing out, and this thing is really powerful. This thing also weighs actually quite a lot, around 8,000 pounds or so, which is really heavy. And yeah, this thing actually looks really nice. I did make a video on this. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. I got this, I painted this thing yellow, yellowish with some green, and then we got these nice rims on it. But yeah, this is my truck, pretty nice. Really love taking this thing off-roading. Really powerful car. This thing actually does really well off-roading. But yeah, pretty much it for the truck. Let's move on to the next vehicle. Alright guys, next up here we have my Z06 Corvette. This thing, I have these custom rims on it. Really like the rims that are on it. And I have this thing in this custom blue color that I painted it. Pretty nice, pretty aggressive front lip here, as you guys can see. Pretty nice. And I love these rims on the Z06 Corvette. But yeah, also this thing is lowered. I really like how this thing looks lowered. Stock, it's a bit too high for my liking. But yeah, here's my Z06 Corvette. Pretty nice car, custom paint and custom rims and ride height. Pretty nice. Really like the Z06 Corvette. This thing is also pretty quick, and yeah, pretty sweet looking ride. But yeah, I have a couple more cars to show you guys, but Z06 here is actually one of my favorites. This thing looks really nice, lowered with these rims and this blue color. But yeah, let's move on to the next car. Alright guys, now we have my Dodge Challenger Demon. This thing is really powerful for its price. Pretty quick to accelerate real quick. And I really like the wide body on this thing, really nice. This thing is lowered. Got this thing lowered, it looks really nice lowered. And I have these rims on it, really nice. And I have this matte gray color. I really like how this thing looks, and this thing is actually a pretty powerful car. But yeah, this thing is under $100,000, and it's actually pretty quick compared to its competitors, like the Z06 is kind of in the same price point. The C8 Corvette is also kind of the same price point, and this thing is really quick compared to those cars. And yeah, this thing looks really mean in this gray color with these rims lowered also. Really nice. But yeah, let's move on to my next car. Alright guys, next up we have my daily driver here. We have my BMW M4. This thing here is pretty nice. I have this thing in this yellow color. Looks really nice, as you guys can see. And this thing is also lowered, as you guys can tell. You guys can tell this thing is lowered. Custom rims, but factory paint. I really like this factory paint. Pretty nice gold color. And yeah, this thing is lowered with custom rims. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple. But this thing is pretty nice. I really like how the M4 looks lowered. But yeah, this is my daily driver right here. Pretty nice looking car. But let's move on to the last vehicle I have, and my favorite vehicle that I have. Alright guys, moving on to my last and favorite vehicle that I own is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I really love this thing. I have this thing in this custom matte green, darkish green color. And this thing is also lowered, and this thing has custom rims. This thing looks really nice in my opinion with the green and these rims, and this thing being lowered. This thing looks really mean. I really like this thing. It looks really nice. But yeah, this is my favorite vehicle I own. This thing is actually pretty quick, and my favorite car that I own. This thing looks really nice with all these edges. Pretty sharp looking car. Really love that carbon fiber wing in the back there. But yeah, pretty mean looking car. Got a bit of carbon fiber in the front here. But yeah, this is my overall favorite car. Love this thing. It looks really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Probably conclude the video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text up. Going solo, but I wish you all the best love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up.